Hello guys, my name is Belinder and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful ponytail with drawstring, making use of rubber bands. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So we're going to start off by sectioning out your hair. You're going to section it out from ear to ear. If you have shorter hair, you want to shift your hand a little bit to the back, but still from ear to ear. And then we're going to put the rest of the hair in a ponytail like I've done in this video. And then that part that we've sectioned out in the front, we're going to divide it into 6 boxes. Just like this. 6 boxes like this one. And then when you've done that, you're going to start with each box at a time. One of those 6 boxes, you're going to share it into 2 like I've done. You use your rubber band to tie the first box, and then use another rubber band to connect the first box to the second box. Just watch it closely. It's not difficult, guys. It's really simple and very quick. You just connect it, and just like that, you divide the hair into, pull it out opposite direction, so that it's going to be much flatter on your head. And when that is done, you repeat it for the rest of the boxes, and then you neatly pack every of these boxes tail, pack it together to go and meet the ponytail. So now you're putting all your hair in a single ponytail. If you have shorter hair, you want to like shift your boxes and make it like 3 or 4 so that it will be closer to the ponytail. Or you want to add some extensions to it so that it can be easy for you to unpack everything in a ponytail like this. So now we are going to install the ponytail wig. And yes, I made a video on how you can make this ponytail wig yourself at home, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So guys, you can check that out later on. Please like this video if you find any value in it, and don't forget to share and click on the subscribe button. So the next thing you're going to do is to cover up the knot with the wig. Draw the drawstring like I've done, and then use the drawstring to secure the wig to your hair. You want to make sure you're securing it really firm so it doesn't fall off. So now after that is done, you're going to take some of the wig. I made this special one that I'm going to use to cover up the drawstring, and then any other part of the wig that might be showing, we're going to close it with the drawstring. And this is the final look, guys. Please click on the like button, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.